Hello, we join you again as we continue our walk from the cathedral to Uppsala Slott or castle. It is only a short walk through the castle grounds, as you shall see. The road you see goes down to the railway station. The castle complex is on the other side of the road. As we had gone during peak summers, relaxing on the shaded grounds of the castle after a walk in the sun was really welcome. As the complex is surrounded with university buildings, you'll find quite a few students moving about. You can see the cathedral towering over the tree line. The building in the round tower you see ahead, the castle. After rejuvenating ourselves, let's resume our walk. Uppsala Castle, or Uppsala Slott, is a 16th century royal castle. Throughout much of its early existence, the castle played a major role in the history of Sweden. Originally constructed in 1549, the castle has been heavily remodeled, expanded, and otherwise modified. Today, the structure houses the official residence of the governor of Uppsala County, various businesses, and 2 museums. It also has a cafe. A rooftop walk on the tower is also conducted. The charges per head are around 700 SEK. Those interested may find it thrilling. Enjoy a view of the cathedral from castle grounds. This is the famous Gunilla bell, named after the then queen. The Gunilla bell was cast in 1588. It had to be recast in 1759 after a fire, and was then also moved from the southeast tower to its present position on the battlements. The bell once served as a curfew bell for the town. This is the history of the bell. It was interesting to see these old cannons at the battlements. A good spot for selfies. The garden you see below is the botanical garden. As it was past the flowering season, the garden was almost barren, so we didn't feel like going there. This concludes our two-part series on Uppsala. Hope you enjoyed the walk with us. We leave you here at the castle as we walk down to take a bus back to station. Till next time then.